Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own music for free using this super cool AI tool called Riffusion. Whether you are making beats for fun, content creation, or just experimenting with sound, this website is a game changer. First of all, open your browser and go to refusion.com. No sign up required, no installation, and it's totally free. Once you are on the website, you will see the search bar right in the middle. This is where the magic happens. Just type in the kind of music you want. It could be anything like lo-fi, chill, trap beats, reggae groove, or even something wild like sci-fi jazz fusion. Let's type in low-feed chill piano. Hit enter. And Riffusion starts generating your song right away. Within seconds, you will get a full audio track ready to play. You can hear how clear and atmospheric that sounds.